What is software? Computer system differentiate hardware. The physical components of a computer system, a set of instructions that directs a computer hardware to perform a task, is called a program or software program. So, after leaving the more school or electric engineering university, to a triple so date of birth age 60, to table of contents. What is software? History of software with hardware with software with hardware comparison chart. What type of software exists? Seen service on premise, popular software vendors, top 5 latest software question. What is software? Software is a set of instruction data or program used to operate a computer and execute specific tasks. In simpler terms, software tells a computer how to function. It's a generic terms used refer to application scripts and programs that run on devices such as PCs, mobile phones, tablet, and other smart device. Software contrasts with hardware. Hardware contrasts with software, which is the physical aspects of a computer that perform the work. Without software, most computers would be useless. For example, a web browser is a software application that allows user to access the internet. An operating system is a software program that serves as the interface